In this clip, I'm going to show you how to cut your graham crackers to create the graham cracker house. As I said earlier, we need 14 full crackers to create this house. The lengths of the house are going to be use two full crackers, and as well as the roof. Each piece of the roof will use 2 full crackers. And even though you can design your house whatever shape you want using as many crackers, we're just going with a standard rectangular shaped house. So we'll have 2 longer sides, and we need to create the 2 shorter sides. So using our knife, we're going to cut a quarter end piece off, pushing slightly into the cracker first and then straight down. And don't worry if an edge breaks off. You know, you'll be covering it up with all that icing. Sometimes these don't always go perfectly straight. So we have 1 for each end of the house, and those are doubled up as well, double height. So we need 4. I rock my blade in and then push down. See, there was one that didn't cut straight, but it's okay. You're going to cover it up with icing. Now we need to create our triangle that the roof is going to rest on. So we do the same thing, cutting a quarter edge off, and then we find the middle point, the midpoint, and match it to the outer edge at the bottom, and we cut. Midpoint to the other. Whoop. All right, that one didn't work so well. It's okay, we've got plenty of graham crackers. Sometimes that happens. If it's not too destroyed, you could just glue it all together. And we'll get another graham cracker over here. I actually had one already cut, so we'll use that. And that's how you cut your graham crackers.